हम जब एंशियंट हिस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, वी ऑल टॉक अबाउट हरप्पन सिविलाइजेशन, नाइल वैली सिविलाइजेशन, टॉक अबाउट मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन, वुहांगे सिविलाइजेशन ऑफ चाइना, एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस 3000 4000 बीसी से शुरू होते हैं. बट द क्वेश्चन इज, ये सारे सिविलाइजेशंस का मदर सिविलाइजेशन क्या है? वेयर डिड इट ऑल स्टार्ट? We know that the origin of human species was not in South Asia. The origin of human species was not in Mesopotamia, parts of the present day Iraq. ये कहीं ना कहीं से शुरू हुए होंगे, and then they must have spread across the whole world. This mother home of mankind is the region called as the Caucasus regions. Yes, it's a mountainous region, highland region between Black Sea and the Caspian Sea. नॉर्थ में हायर कॉकेशस हैं, साउथ में लेसर कॉकेशस हैं. इन बिटवीन द लॉट ऑफ स्मॉल स्मॉल बेसिन रिवर्स, देर आर पैसेजेस, गैप्स. ये पूरा जो डाइवर्स इकोसिस्टम है, दिस इज वेयर द ओरिजिन ऑफ ह्यूमन कल्चर सिविलाइजेशन स्टार्टेड. इस द रीजन इज कॉल्ड एज स्प्रिंग बोर्ड. यहाँ से populations of man at phases at different times, they must have spread out and now they inhabited the rest of the world. The Caucasus region is considered as the homeland for the entire global population. Its cultural diversity, language and races also. In fact, अगर आप ट्रेस करते हैं the genetic diversity, the Caucasus region का genetic diversity है, it's called as CHG, Caucasian Hunter and Gatherer Racial Genetic Diversity. This CHG जो race और genetic diversity है, it makes up almost 60% of the Indo-European population. It accounts for almost 40% of the world's language spoken. In fact, the dominant, जो one of the racial groups of India है, the North Indian population, who we refer to as Indo-Aryans. इसका technical word है the ancestral North Indian race. This ancestral North Indian race or ANI Indians जो हैं, you can trace it to parts of Caucasus. Lot of language, lot of food habits, clothing habits, ये Caucasus से आया है. In fact, I think I told this to you once upon a time. जो गुजरात है and the Gurjar populations है, you can trace them as nomadic pastoralists coming from Georgia. Georgia से गुज्जर बना, Georgia से गुजरात का linkage है. So this Caucasus region is a very important region जहाँ से कि civilization has spread. इस सब का शुरुआत क्या होता है? Africa में, this Victoria region had hominids, the early form of species called as Australopithecus, Ramapithecus. They evolved into species called as Homo erectus, Homo habilis. और यहाँ से धीरे धीरे evolution हुआ है Homo sapiens sapiens का. So ये जो region around Victoria है, Chad, Uganda, parts of Sudan, parts of Rwanda, यहाँ से जो first evolution हुआ होगा around 3.5 million years ago. यहाँ से the populations must have moved northwards along river Nile, moved northwards across Egypt. They must have crossed the Sinai Peninsula into parts of the present-day Middle East. जो countries हैं Jordan, Israel, Syria, parts of Palestine. This must have been a pathway of the people moving northwards. They moved northwards and they must have settled down first in this area of Caucasus. Caucasus, may we have some of the oldest settlements of man outside of Africa. ये जो theory है, it's called as out of Africa hypothesis. The beginnings of human race and human civilization, ये अफ्रीका शुरू होके ये पहुंचता है Caucasus में. जॉर्जिया में एक बहुत पुराना सेटलमेंट है called as Dmanisi, not very far away from Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia. This area has found some of the skeletal remains of the very early human races, very early human type of species also. In fact, यहाँ पर some of the oldest human settlements हैं. हम बात कर रहे हैं about 1.8 million years ago. Almost 18 लाख साल पहले यहाँ के जो populations थे, that is where all the story began. And this area, हालांकि mountainous है, पर यहाँ पर बहुत सारे small ecosystems हैं. It is a wet region, moderate temperatures, a good amount of volcanic soil. The area has enough of water, rivers like Terek rivers, plus the waters alongside. This area must have supported lot of pockets of human diversity. आज के डेट में भी अगर आप देखें, यहाँ पर बहुत सारा ethnic diversity है. Ascabians, we have got Armenians, we have Azeris, Kabardians, Georgians, Chechens, Ossetians, all of them part of this region. और दिस एथनिक डाइवर्सिटी का कुछ रीजन है व्हाई वी हैव टुडेज कन्फ्लिक्ट्स ऑफ पार्ट्स ऑफ कॉकेशस। जो पैसेजेस यहाँ पर हैं, एक डैरियल पैसेज कहलाता है अक्रॉस कॉकेशस नॉर्थ ऑफ तिब्लिसी, प्लस एक पैसेज और है ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड कॉल्ड एज दरबंद पैसेज और डरवेंट पैसेज। इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द आर्यन गेट्स। दिस इज द वेस्टर्न साइड ऑफ कैस्पियन सी प्लेन्स है। ये पैसेजेस से द पॉपुलेशंस फ्रॉम साउथ मस्ट हैव मूव्ड नॉर्थवर्ड्स इनटू द रशियन स्टेप्स एंड द ग्रासलैंड्स ऑफ यूक्रेन एंड इनटू रशिया इवेंचुअली। तो यहाँ पर जब पॉपुलेशन धीरे धीरे ग्रो हुआ, डेवलप हुआ, दिस रीजन अल्टीमेटली इन द 3rd 4th century BC and after became part of the Silk Route from China also. If you look at the ancient empires, kingdoms, the Seleucids, the Sayyids, the Indo-Bactrians, the Indo-Scythians, you all have come from the parts of the Caucasian region. I'm sure you've heard about Sakas in India, in the Scythian invaders who came in India. This sub origin is the Caucasus belt. In fact, when this out of Africa hypothesis समझाते हैं, we say man must have gone north from Africa into Caucasus, or Caucasus से they must have spread towards the eastern side and northern side and southern side. And this Caucasus region was a center of melting pot interaction between 3 very important species, एक Neanderthal man, the second is Denisovians, and the Homo sapiens sapiens. In fact, at some time, these 3 species must have cohabited. The Neanderthal man का जो genetic diversity है, we find them in parts of European races also. And when people moved out from here, I'm talking about approximately 70, 80,000 years ago, they must have moved towards east across Iran and also north से across steppes and entered into India. India में we have some very old racial diversity, the Proto-Australoids and the Negritos. The Andaman Nicobar में we have Sentinelese tribes, Andamanese tribes, Ongi tribe, Jarawa tribes. इस सब का ancestry जो है linked to parts of Caucasus and ultimately towards Africa. ये दिखने में African race ही लगते हैं. But of course in time there must have evolution, where the Caucasoid ultimately branched out into a different racial group and not same as the Negritos of parts of South Asia, Africa and the rest of the world. ये तो हो गया आपका genetic diversity. And this region is also home to a lot of culture. इंडिया में जो राजस्थान एंड गुजरात में जो टॉप का कुर्ता पहनते हैं, ट्यूनिक पहनते हैं, okay, अंग रक्षक बोलते हैं इसको, it has lot of similarities with the tunic of the Caucasian region. Caucasian region में Circassians एक ethnic group हुआ करते थे. They were pushed from parts of Russia towards south into Jordan. ये Circassian cultures के ethnic diversity are found in parts of India. In fact, अगर खाना देखें, food cuisine देखें, wine making का origin Caucasus region है. In fact, we have found some containers, bottles, purane earthen potteries hai, which have been found in parts of Caucasus that have still preserved some amount of old, of course, now much gone, the traces of wine. Yogurt making, dahi banana, raita, lassi, छाछ जो हम पीते हैं इंडिया में, इसका origin भी Caucasus regions में ही है. And all the stuffed food, जो भरमा food है, भरमा बैगन, भरमा मिर्च, samosa type of food, इसका भी origin is from the Caucasus region. The slow cooking art जो है, दम बिरयानी टाइप के आर्ट जो है, जो पर्शिया में बड़ा पॉपुलर है, इसका भी रूट्स है in parts of Caucasian region. इंडिया में very popular instrument like सारंगी, सारंगी है, इसके अलावा शहनाई है. In fact, शहनाई is very similar to one of the wind instruments of Armenia called as duduk. दोनों का same type of tone है, music है, nasal वाला effect है. You can link the Caucasian one with India. Caucasus region is the beginnings of the Chalcolithic cultures, the bronze cultures. The Harappan civilizations were the Chalcolithic civilizations. There's similarity between the Harappan civilizations, their art of bead making, their art of pottery, the use of bronze with the Caucasian ethnic groups. In fact, lot of similarities of Hindu tradition, Hindu gods with the gods and the belief systems in parts of Armenian and Caucasus. इंडिया में हमारे इंद्र देवता हैं, गॉड ऑफ थंडर, रेन, वैसे वृत्रा गॉड, वेरी सिमिलर टू इंद्रा गॉड The Vitra god is part of the Caucasian beliefs and their older ancestor religions. So this Caucasus region is a very interesting region. यहाँ पर cultural की mergers interactions भी हुए हैं. In the parts of the last 500-600 साल की history देखें, the histories of the Ottomans, the Persians, the history of the Russians, the history related to Armenian Empire जो है, ये सारों का convergence point ये Caucasus region रहा है. So Caucasus somewhere in the books of history खो गया है. We don't hear about it much. Today Caucasus is infamous for conflicts, lot of problems of political problems, wars हैं, Nagorno-Karabakh, Georgia का war है, Chechen rebels हैं, Ossetian movements हैं. But this area has some of the oldest history of the world. Geography unfolds all of this. वहाँ का climate, topography, ये सारा link करके. Now we know Caucasus is inherently part of the umbilical cord that links the rest of the world with this center of Caspian Sea and the Black Sea. Watch me for this kind of geography stories at Edukimi YouTube channel. I'm Shabbir. Click to us, subscribe to us, and in the comments below, do tell me if you want to know more stories of this kind. I'll help you with understanding geography, link it with our history, our economy, and our political systems. Geography at Edukemi YouTube channel.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabbir sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module-based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.